Hello students, now we continue with chapter 5 AP part 5, how to find sum of n natural numbers. Suppose I want to find the sum of first 50 natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to plus 50. I think if you will do addition 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, it will take a lot of time. So we will discuss a simple way. First I have written in ascending order. Second, you will write in descending order. Now s plus s 2s, 51 plus 51 plus 51 plus 51. And we are adding 51 50 times. So it will become 51 into 50 and s is 51 into 50 divided by 2. Similarly, sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. If I want to find sum of 10 natural numbers, it will be 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2, 10 into 11 by 2. If I want to find the sum of 100 natural numbers, it will be 100 into 101 divided by 2. So formula to find the sum of n natural numbers, it is n into n plus 1 by 2. Similarly, we can find sum of n terms of an AP by the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. First formula is used if the numbers are natural. Second formula is used for any terms of AP. N is number of terms, a is first term and d is the common difference. It can also be used in this way: a plus n minus 1 into d. This is first term, this is last term. So n by 2 a plus a n. If we know first and last term, it can be written as n by 2 a plus a n. A is the first term, a n is the last term. Let's start with the first question of exercise 4.3. Find the sum of the following AP. If we look here, a is minus 37, d is a2 minus a1 and it will be plus 4, and find the sum of 12 terms, n is 12. So use the formula Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 12 by 2, 2 into minus 37 plus n is 12 minus 1 and d is 4. For sum of n terms, we must have n. It is 6 minus 74 plus 44, 6 into minus 30, it will be minus 180. So we are able to find the sum of 12 terms for this AP. Next question, second part. Find the sum. This is the first term, second term, third term. It is not n, it is the last term. A is 34, d is minus 2 and a n is 10. So to find sum, we must have n. This is not n, this is a n. A n is a plus n minus 1 into d, a n 10, a 34, n minus 1 into d. It is minus 24 divided by minus 2, n minus 1. So 12 is equal to n minus 1 and n is 13. So first for an, we will find n. Now we can use the second formula. Sn is n by 2, a plus an because we know the first and last term. N is 13 by 2, first term 34, last term 10. So 13 by 2 into 44. Now you can simplify it to find the answer. So next question number 4. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Here A is 9, D is 8 and Sn is 636. So use the formula Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. 636 n by 2, 2 into 9 plus n minus 1, d is 8. 636 into 2, it is n 18 plus 8n minus 8. 1272 n into 8n minus 10. Now the equation becomes 8n square minus 8n square, sorry, it will be plus 10n minus 1272 is 0. And when we divide it by 2, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now you solve it either by quadratic formula or by splitting the middle term. So when you solve it by splitting the middle term, 5n can be split as minus 48 plus 53, 4n common, n minus 12, 53 common, n minus 12. So 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is 0, n minus 12 0, so n is 12, otherwise n is minus 53 by 4 and this answer is not possible. So how many terms of the AP are here? There are 12 terms of this AP which gives a sum of 636. So now we will apply the formula of Sn to find the sum. At your homework you will try the first 5 questions. Thank you.